Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on Archangel token. And in this video, I'm going to disclose a very interesting detail on the contest on how you can actually win up to 4 trillion Archangel tokens. And yes, you heard me right. I'm not joking around, or neither is this any scam. It's a legitimate contest which is being running with Archangel community, and it was just announced today during my live stream in the morning. If you have not attended the live stream, guys, we will be doing I mean me, Crypto Caddy, and Crypto Quester. We three of us on a collaborative session. We will be having Archangel Cafe or Arca Cafe on every week, Sundays, 10 p.m. EST. You can join us there, ask away questions that you have, or any doubts related to this project, or just try to chill and hang out with us. We speak anything and everything about Archangel and just some general topics also on crypto as well. So if you were part of the live stream today morning, you'd have got to know that I did drop a big bomb, and that is again thanks to Joe, where he sent me a special message with me having those exclusive information to go ahead and share it with the entire viewer base out there. And right now, it's also up in the Telegram group. And if in case you are not in the Telegram group, well, I'll be spreading the news over here in my YouTube channel. And also, I would strongly advise you get into the Telegram group and understand how the community is, how the development team is, and how the entire token ecosystem is all works or is all about. Having said that, this is Mr. Aslan, guys. Crypto education is my passion, and this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before you get into any token out there in the crypto space, and be very wary of scams. Moving on to the price action or the price point, if you want to do a quick check, Archangel token is recovering. There is a bit of a dip, and it has now recovered just around 17.19% down. But ideally, it is actually moving up. It was somewhere close to around 20-24% down earlier when I was checking it, and now it has come up all the way to 17.24. Let me refresh if I can see some fresh price change. All right, you have 14.75. It's increasing. You can see the increase here in volume, guys, on a positive trend, and you can also see that the market cap is also steadily increasing. If this might be some data which is not yet verified, yeah, you can go with fully diluted market cap. That's also pretty good, and this is just the beginning. A lot more better things to come. I will not go ahead much into the price action or the price discussion over here. I will quickly move on because it's very early, guys. It's very early to discuss much about the price, since the project itself is very new. I'm not saying relatively new, it's very new. Moving on to the ecosystem of Archangel, I've explained this multiple times in all my earlier videos as well. Please do go ahead and check it out. I would strongly recommend each one of you to go ahead and check out the videos which I've done on explaining the ecosystem. Why is Archangel a special token? What is distribution of value, and what it all means in terms of tokenomics and how it acts out. Now, Archangel, simply putting it across, Archangel is not just a token, guys. It's an entire ecosystem just waiting to be deployed. And there are multiple solutions that are available and could be provided from the Archangel community or the team altogether. There are no limitations to this project, is what I would like to put across in a single word. Because the way that they are approaching, they're not limited to any one single line of work in crypto space. A lot of tokens right now have a singular vision. Yes, a vision where I would say I would stick on to this particular road and say, okay, I'm going to go ahead with a centralized exchange kind of a concept. I'm going to go ahead with NFTs as my major concept. I'm going to go ahead with GameFi as my major concept, or a combination of NFTs and GameFi. That's a very good combination, a brilliant one, in fact. And you can have another way where they go into swaps and just building out a community or a solution where they could be part of a bigger project elsewhere in some other crypto out there. So right, these kind of various paths are available, and with Archangel, how it is panning out the entire ecosystem, how it is actually planned, every one of them can be a part of Archangel ecosystem. With Archangel in the center, you can have all these utilities or all these projects added up surrounding it, and that's how big the ecosystem actually is planned. And I was part of the voice chat yesterday with Joe, where he actually explained about how Michael or project the Epic One project would be panning out, and how they're planning to build the ecosystem or the build the particular project across, and how in 7 phases they are planning to integrate each and every utility into Michael Epic One, and each epic will have its own native token. And what's best in the distribution of value, guys, simply put it, you just hold your Archangel, once the staking mechanism kicks in. Now there will be a staking as a feature that will be released in the later days. Once it comes out in the staking pool, you just put in your Archangel token in the staking, and you would be able to get any of those native tokens which are built from each of the epics that are in play, that are in mind in the coming days as per the roadmap. So really, really good feature in terms of having a lot of passive income, lot of potential if everything goes right. That's the condition, and that's the star mark or the asterisk that you always have to put. If everything goes as planned, you would definitely see that whatever you have invested in Archangel would easily give you a multi generational wealth generation mechanism altogether. And that's really huge, guys. I'm rooting for it. I'm just hoping that everything goes fine. And the dev team is actually very good. Joe, in fact, a big shout out to him. He is a man who is actually having a very good vision in mind, and he works for it. And he has a military background. He did quote that he was into strategic planning, which I would definitely like to say over here in this video, because that definitely shows in the way he is approaching things, or certain way that he's designing the roadmap for the entire ecosystem of Archangel. It's really, really huge and a lot of technicality involved. And me being an engineer, I would definitely love all those technical aspects related to a project. And the way he explains, or the way he's coming out with the options of adding in features or adding in ecosystem, I mean epics to the ecosystem, the way that he wants to function in terms of the staking mechanism or the phases of each epic. Say Michael has 7 phases right now, the epic 2 might have a different phase altogether. So it's all panned out so well and technically laid out so nicely that everything has to go in order. It's just following the flow, right? So really good to see that much of detailing involved. If you just come down to their website also, I mean, I was discussing about this earlier in the live stream today morning as well. If you check on their website, you have a lot of content. I mean, this somewhat deterred me initially when I actually looked into Archangel, but what I liked after reading everything is the amount of detail and the amount of time and effort that they have put in to put these details on the website. And that's really, really important, guys. You can always have a website which says, this is my token name, this is the contract address, this is where you can buy, and this is the tokenomics. It's very simple to do that, but they have taken the time to build each and every aspect of the website in terms of having the maximum detail possible. And that really interested me into the project initially in the very early phases when I got into this. Having said that, I'll come down quickly to the holder count. And one of my viewers did give me a feedback that I keep using, having said that multiple times. I'll stop using that right now. So holder count currently is at 3,318. If I just refresh once and check if there is an increase, no, it's around 3,318. So it's very, very early to get onto this token, guys. Just my suggestion and just my opinion out there. It's really very early that you can, if you are looking for any of those altcoins where you would definitely like to invest and stay and put it across for say around 6 to 8 months or say a year duration time, then this would be one of those gems that you would definitely have to look into adding to your portfolio, because the amount of potential that this token has can definitely easily do 100x at the time of say June, July next year. That's what I think. That's again my personal opinion based on everything that might go right in the coming days, the staking pool coming into picture, after which the burns are also happening pretty quick. If you look at the burn wallet, you can see 45% of the tokens were burnt at the initial stage, and we have already seeing that 2.2 or 2.3%, close to that amount, has already been burnt only through the transactions that is happening. And the best part here with this token is the anti-dump and the anti-whale mechanism that's built in, because each and every sell which is above a certain percentage incurs a very high tax. So usually people who think that they can actually sell a high amount and get a good profit, they are actually losing out a lot of profit in that manner also. Unless and until you are such a person who is very, very early into the project and you have got 100x already, then you would definitely be losing a lot than what you expect in terms of the profit, guys. So that's how the mechanism is built in terms of the sales that would happen. So that would deter a lot of large sales or large amount of selling that would usually be seen in many of the projects, especially the whale manipulated ones. So good to see these dips are getting eaten up quickly as well. And moving on to what more I can say about Archangel, the features of BNB cross chain is already up and live. You can if in case you do not want to pay the high gas fees in Ethereum, or you do not have Ethereum available with you to go ahead and pay the gas fees, you can always use Binance Smart Chain BNB to go ahead and purchase Archangel token. But again, just quoting that whatever purchase you make, you will still have to pay the gas fees. I've also made a separate video explaining the step-by-step process on how you can go ahead and buy Archangel token. If in case you have BNB a lot available with you, you can directly come down to here. You can use your BNB, connect to your wallet, use your BNB, and Archangel would be available to you in Ethereum chain itself. Now, just a word of caution: if you see any Archangel token on the BSC side, it is a scam. Please do not buy it. Archangel is right now currently still a ERC20 token. There is no token available right now on the BSC side or a BEP20 code token that's on the Binance chain. Please do not buy that. It is a scam coin. It is not the actual Archangel that you are wanting to have. Moving on, guys, all I want to say is this is something that you would definitely love to, like to have on your portfolio. That's my personal advice. Again, you can take it or you leave it, but nonetheless, keep an eye out for it. I would advise join the Telegram group, check out what they want to do, and what they're actually planning to do. I'm sorry, not what they want to do, planning to do. And there is also voting mechanism for each and every feature ad that happens. You can be part of it on an anonymous level, and you can see how the community operates as well. Coming down to the end of the video, I'll be going ahead and quoting you the contest details on what you need to do in terms of earning 4 trillion Archangel tokens. This is especially for the ones who are actually artists, because what this contest is all about is a logo design. So there in the website, if you come down and check out all the feature additions on the consolidated roadmap or the paths, you can see there are 3 features listed right now. You have Gabriel, you have Jovial, and you have Ariel. The 4th feature was something which Joe told me today in the morning. That's the special bomb that I had to drop in the live stream. That's called Germiel. So feature 4 will be Germinal, and there will be a logo design contest that will be held. So you will, if you have to go ahead and design a logo, once you do that, please go ahead and send the logo to official@archangeltoken.com. I'll leave the email in the link in the description down below, and the contest details as well in the description below. You can run through the details. And the best part here, guys, all you need to do is design the logo, and the only condition that's there is the logo should be round in shape or rounded across. It should not be having any sharp edges or something like that. It should be round as you see the token over here. That's the only condition. You don't need to hold any Archangel token. You don't need to be part of Archangel holder count or hold any minimum Archangel amount to enter into this contest. Any and every artist is available to, is eligible, sorry, to enter this contest. And the prizes over here would be, the first winner would be getting 4 trillion Archangel tokens, the second would be getting 2 trillion, and the third would be getting 1 trillion Archangel tokens. At the current price, if you calculate, it would be equivalent to somewhere close to $16,000, the 3 combined. So if I take the 7 trillion coins as the total count, it's equivalent to somewhere close to $16,000, guys, and that's the total prize money that they're putting away on a contest. Now you can do the maths for 4 trillion, how much it would cost based on the current price of Archangel. And since you are getting paid in terms of the tokens, trust me, it's a worthy shot of winning this contest, because you're not only getting free Archangel tokens, you're also ensuring that your future investments into the token is not at all required. And whatever you do in terms of earning, as in when the price increases, your actual token value also increases, and thereby your profit or the price amount definitely goes ahead and increases. So it will not be 16,000 or whatever is the price approximately. If you take, it would be even 160,000 also if it just does a 10x. It's as simple as that. That's the value of having Archangel tokens given out instead of having USD or USDT shared as a prize money, guys. So that's it for this video. I'll also leave all the links to the description down below, the website link, the BSC scan link, the contract address as well. And also you can check out my playlist on how you can buy Archangel token either through the Binance Crossbridge or on the Uniswap platform as well through Ethereum. You can just check that out on a step-by-step basis. There is explanation available. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you again for all the love and support that has been shown. I'm inching near towards that 500 subscriber mark. So if you have still not subscribed to my channel, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. That only motivates me to make more videos and bring you more relevant content out there. Thank you so much once again, guys. Have fun.